Subiaco Restoration has been a family-run business since 1981.
And for over 33 years we've built a reputation as one of WA's foremost suppliers and manufacturers of architectural building materials. But what may surprise you is just how big our Osborne Park store actually is. Here you'll find a massive 13,000 square metres dedicated to the widest range of building and home architectural products, all in one convenient location. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, renovator or DIYer, here you'll find everything you need for your project. From timber to decking, from flooring to mouldings, from doors and windows to custom-made joinery. And for heating, you'll find over 100 fireplaces on display. There's also a range of hardware, lighting, bathroom products and homewares. And if you need help and advice, our knowledgeable staff really know their stuff.
At Subiaco Restoration, we're big into everything you need.